Two powerful AI creative platforms. One burning question: which one really delivers? On the left, MidJourney, famous for hyper-realistic AI art, and now adding video animation. And on the right, Runway, the all-in-one creative studio for video, image, and editing tasks. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect.
So here's how we're going to roll. First up is core features, like what can these platforms actually do? Then we're looking at output quality, because honestly, who wants blurry AI art? Price, yes, wallets matter. Ease of use, aka can you figure it out without a tutorial marathon? Customization and control, for those who like to get nitpicky. And finally, customer support and community, because hey, when you hit a wall, you need backup. Okay, starting off with core features. First, MidJourney. If you mostly vibe with text-to-image AI generation, super artsy or photorealistic styles, and now, yep, you heard right, animated clips up to 21 seconds, it's pretty solid. But, and it's a big but, the video features are still kind of new. Like, shiny, but maybe not fully shiny yet. And no audio, so don't expect a soundtrack. Next up, Runway. Oh, and here's something cool. Runway does text-to-video, advanced editing, rotoscoping, green screen effects, and even voice sync. Want 4K exports? Or to actually collaborate with your team? It's got it. There is a catch. Workflow can get kinda complex, and to really unlock the good stuff, you need a paid plan. All in all, Runway is just stacked in features, so it takes the win here. Let's talk output quality. If you slap a prompt into MidJourney, the images, wow, just stunning. Cinematic. Seriously impressive. Prompts get pretty faithfully rendered too, but video still feels like a younger sibling compared to Runway. Now, Runway's putting out industry-level video quality. You get full video, assets, sound, and exports that are actually pro tier. Only downside, sometimes you're limited by credits on cheaper plans. But you know what? The overall video polish is next level. So yeah, Runway keeps its crown for quality. Here's the one everyone asks about first, price. MidJourney's entry is pretty chill, $10 a month for 200 images. And if you upgrade, you get unlimited relaxed mode. Video does eat through credits though, so don't expect an animation spree on the basic plan. Runway, on the other hand, has a free tier, which is a nice touch. About 25 images, not bad. But as soon as you want real features, like advanced tools or unlimited exports, it gets pricey quick. Powerful, but ouch. The cost can add up. Bottom line, MidJourney is the better bargain for most users here. Real quick, did you know that MidJourney only dropped its official AI video model in June 2025? For the first time, artists can animate their prompts. It's honestly wild considering how fast they went from still art to moving magic. All right, ease of use. MidJourney, pretty intuitive. The text-to-art workflow is fast, and honestly, you'll get the hang of it quickly if you're sticking to images. But start poking around with animation, and some users do hit a learning curve. Now, Runway is all about drag and drop. Runs in your browser, and most of it is no-code, which is always a win in my book. Setting up projects, moving assets, it's slick, but fair warning, all those features mean there are lots of buttons and options. Some might feel a bit lost at first, but for most folks, it's super approachable. Runway gets the point for usability. Next up, customization and control. MidJourney is basically the control freak's dream. So many tunable image styles, fine prompt options, and now some video animation tweaks too. The only meh part is, yeah, your animated clips are capped at short lengths and not ultra intricate. Now switch to Runway. Tons of edit modes, and you can manipulate assets across your whole workflow. When it comes to crafting a full video project, it feels powerful, but image style control, not quite as detailed as MidJourney. So if you're obsessed with fine-tuning your vision, MidJourney pulls ahead on this one. Last on the mind map, customer support and community. MidJourney's Discord is legendary. Active, creative, and, okay, crowded at times. Paid users get lightning-fast help, and there's always someone posting crazy cool art. Runway puts out nice guides and onboarding, and their collaboration tools for teams are pretty slick, but less of a buzzing user forum vibe than MidJourney. If you want constant feedback and community inspiration, MidJourney is the winner for support. So if we plot out all of these categories, you'll notice that Runway is killing it in main features, quality, and ease of use, while MidJourney lands big points in price, customization, and community vibes. It's pretty close, but you can see each tool has its own sweet spot.
All right, my take. If you're obsessed with high-end, hyper-detailed AI art and you want total control, MidJourney is hard to beat, especially now that they're dabbling in animation. But if you want the full video package, advanced editing, and the ability to work with others, Runway is absolutely the studio for you.
So, was this breakdown helpful? Go give both platforms a spin and see which one unlocks your creative superpower.